Good morning, class. Please make sure you have your morning work out and a grading utensil. If your back is towards the board, please rotate around so you can follow along. Please correct and fix anything that you have missed so you can be successful for tomorrow's Friday quiz. For number 1, we're using the symbols to compare the two numbers. When comparing, I'm always going to draw that place value chart. So if you have not done so, please do so now. I have my ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. I'm going to go ahead and write those numbers in there. I have 342, oops, got to fix that. 342,001. And I have 94,981. When comparing these numbers, I'm going to look at the greatest value first. When I look here, I see that in the 100,000s place, that the first number has 300,000s. The second number has no thousands. So that automatically makes my first number greater. So I'm going to open up my symbol to the greater value. I'm going to read this number sentence 342,001 is greater than 94,981. There's a couple ways I could approach this multiplication sentence. I could say that there's 3 groups of 21 and mentally solve it. 20, 40, 60. 1, 2, 3. My product is 63. I could also see that I could break 20 and 1 apart and have 3 groups of each one of those. Using the distributive property, 3 groups of 20 would be 60. 3 groups of 1 would be 3. So my product is 63. For my fact family, I'm going to look for my whole number, which is 30. I'm either going to have that into 6 groups or 5 groups. I need 4 number sentences. 6 groups of 5 is 30, or 5 groups of 6 is 30. I could also say 30 divided into 6 groups is 5 in each group, or 30 divided into 5 groups is 6 in each group. When comparing these two fractions, I'm going to draw my starting line and draw 2 holes that are the same size and length. My first fraction is fourths. So I'm going to cut my hole in half and then do 2 times on each side. I'm going to color in 2 of those 4 pieces. My second fraction is eighths. I'm going to cut my hole in half and do 4 times on each side. I'm going to color in 6 of those 8 equal pieces. I can obviously see that 6/8 is greater. It's past the halfway benchmark there. So I'm going to go ahead and circle 6/8 as being greater. Find the area of the rectangle. I know that area is length times width. To visualize this, I see 2 rows with 4 in each row. Another way of writing 2 rows of 4 is 2 times 4. That would give me the area of 8, and we need to use the label inches squared. Remember, if you leave off that inches squared, it will be counted wrong. Today is Thursday, so we need to hand this to table manager number 2. Table manager number 2 isn't there, then give it to 3. If 3 isn't there, then give it to 4. If 4 isn't there, give it to 1. And table manager number 2 is going to make sure that everybody has their name on it and then turn it into the basket for us. If you have any questions or need further directions, please listen to the sub and follow their directions. Thank you and have a great day. Good luck on your Friday quiz tomorrow.